Hi, this video is in fact for operational agents who want to do a very low value procurement in PPMT. That is a procurement below or equal to 15,000 euro. And in this video, we will describe how to create a request, save it, and plan it. So as soon as you have identified the procurement need, go to PPMT and create a request. You see here on the home page the button Create Request. Click on it and you will get into the request screen. On the left top there are some buttons which are not active yet because we have not filled in data yet. There is the metro line which shows the status of the request. Currently it's still in draft. The fields that are marked with a red asterisk, they are mandatory for the current step. And the ones marked with a blue asterisk, they will have to be completed if you want to move to a next step. So for now, let's fill the short title because it is compulsory. For instance, we're going to buy electronics, for an amount of, let's say, 10,000 euro. When I do tab, automatically PPMT pre-fills already as procedure type the negotiated very low value. You could of course change that, but if you do that, PPMT will move to the normal cycle of the request. So let's leave it like that. And you see that the button Save as Draft is active, so we're going to click on it now. And PPMT will then generate a number, will give a number to the request, and more actions are available now. So the next step is the planned status. As soon as you have more details about your procurement, you can move to that step, but you will have to fill in more fields, like the procurement description and the reason for purchasing. So you give in there a reason. You can use up to 4,000 characters. You see that your name or the name of the technical contact, the requester, is already pre-filled by PPMT. Let's now continue to complete the other fields. A minimum contract value is not really necessary. The procedure type is pre-filled, as I said, and the purchase type, let's say it is a supply, and automatically PPMT will then put as a contract type purchase order. Please do not put a single framework contract or any other type of contract because then PPMT will continue with the normal cycle of the request module. As a contract signature date, let's say we take the end of 2018 and maximum contract duration, let's say 1 month. Whenever you are not sure how to complete a field, you can click on the info button and then some text will appear that will give you more clarification about the field. Then the award method, it's already pre-filled by lowest price, but of course you could select lowest cost or best price quality. Let's keep it to lowest price. If there are services on the site, click the box here, or if there are significant infrastructure modifications required, tick this box, and then automatically the infra officer will be included in the workflow. Another mandatory field is the procurement category. This is in fact the indication of the subject of your purchase, and it's indicated by a code, the Common Procurement Vocabulary Code, CPV code. It's not so difficult. You can search it in two ways, either by inserting a keyword or using the tree view. So let's try the keyword. We type in, for instance, electronics, and already PPMT shows me some options. I choose electronic equipment, or you can use the tree view. Here you see the tree view, and then you can look, for instance, under electrical machinery. We will find there some electronic supplies. Let's add this one. Okay, you can make the second one the primary or the other way around. If the CPV code is somehow linked to green procurement, an indicator will appear here, and then automatically the environmental coordinator will be added to the workflow. We have completed the steps to move the request to the next stage, and that is to the planned states. As long as your request is in draft status, only the people in your unit can see it, so it's not visible to procurement staff. As soon as it is in planned status, also the procurement staff can see your request. So in planned status, you have more tabs to be filled in, like the invitation to tender, budget tab, and documentation tab. But this will be explained in the next video.